So this euro yen analysis for Monday the 18th of June. Now let's just have a look at prices and where prices may likely go. So we did see pretty strong sell-off here from the 30.40. We did previously find resistance in around that 30.20, slightly above this 129.95. We did see very strong sell side momentum take us down towards this 20. Well, we broke below the 28.59. Now with the break from 28.59, we were looking for price head down towards that 27.56. We didn't quite get there. We came all the way down towards, let's just see where that is. We came all the way towards that 127.70 or so, in around that 127.70. Didn't quite get down towards this 27.56, from which we did see the bullish buy side momentum return to the market for a brief recovery here, all the way up towards this 400 period moving average, from which we've had a gap down the market at market open this week. Had seen further sell side momentum, brief recovery, and appear to having that sell side momentum come back into the market as well. So do appear to have a lower high formed there. So we're looking for the sell side momentum. If we do see that sell side momentum come into the market, we're looking for a test of that 27.56, from which we could see the buy side momentum return, possibly seeing a move up towards that 28.59. If we do see a turnaround from where we are at present, if we do hold support in around that 27.70 or so, if we do hold supporting around 27.80, 27.70, looking for a test of a 28.59. Don't anticipate prices moving much beyond 28.59. If we did move beyond 28.59, very next level that we are looking at to move up towards this 129. However, but if we do see the 27.56 broken, the very next level that we are looking at here to the downside would be a move down towards this 26.84. Don't anticipate prices moving beyond 26.84 here on Monday the 18th of June. Now let's just have a look at the higher time frame, see how prices have been developing here on the euro yen. So we get scale on here, correct? And as we can see here, we've had the series of higher lows, strong well, there's a persistent trend here to the upside before it was broken earlier this year. Very strong bearish candle, brief recovery, another strong bearish candle, and so far in the month of June, while we remain in bullish territory after seeing the bullish buy side momentum follow through from last month that came into the end of last month, we've seen the rejection here to the upside. So there remains a possibility of this month turning bearish and seeing a further sell side momentum to the downside here on the euro yen due to possible euro weakness. So we've had moves to the upside somewhat rejected, and there remains a possibility of seeing a further sell side momentum to retest the previous month's lows in the coming, possibly not this month, but maybe next month. And the previous month's lows are in around that 24.62 here on the euro against the yen. What we'll do now is have a brief look here at the weekly chart. Again, over at the weekly chart, we can see here we have a highs, we have a lower high, strong sell side momentum down in towards that 24.62 or so. An area previously found consolidation just there. Had a brief rejection. We had a previous consolidation there. We still pretty strong bullish buy side momentum coming to the market from there. We've tried to have the follow through to the upside, but we've rejected, and from that rejection we do appear to be poised for further sell side momentum, possibly retest the previous lows here on the euro yen. So we do appear to be turning around a bit. So we do have the shoulder, well, this is all in the past anyway, so we do have a high, a lower high, so there does remain the possibility of seeing further sell side momentum. What we'll do now is have a brief look here at the daily chart. And over at the daily chart, we can see here we were looking for a potential inverted head and shoulders, but it does appear to have failed. What we have seen is we did have a V-shaped reversal, brief consolidation, had further buy side momentum, posted a higher low, but we've seen a strong rejection here in the form of this bearish engulfing candle, closing pretty much on the 400 period moving average. We've had a brief move upwards, but we do appear to be breaking that 400 period moving average to the downside. So if we do see our sell side momentum in around that 124.65, we'll look to see if we do from a bit of the bottom and find that bullish buy side momentum return to the market here on the euro yen. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the euro yen analysis. Thanks for watching.